Hey guys! So today we are playing Wubbox Jigsaw. So apparently this is actually a Mice and Monsters whip-off game. Yeah, this is actually a Jigsaw Mice and Monsters game. So I think we're playing it right now, I guess. Wait a second. Is that still an artwork? Yes. These other artworks are not stolen. They're actually from the game. But this one is actually stolen from an artist. We're doing first. Wait a second, the Wubbox one is the stolen baby Wubbox. Yes, it only contains Wubbox and no other monsters. I want to do the difficulty.
Alright,
oh, and they got an ad. Wait a second, is that Wubbox? Is that Wubbox? They copied Wubbox.
Okay, let's discover new land.
That's literally Wubbox.
OMG, someone has already built kindergarten here.
That's Wubbox with a Subat blob.
This could be a little bit tricky. Gotta be careful. If I can't make it, I'll die. Man,
It actually
my
looks
heart
like
is beating too
Subat.
fast. I'm afraid of height. Damn it, I'm dying.
Yes, One Up High is actually a whip-off of a Wubbox game. I can't remember the game name, but okay. If you know the game, please comment down below, I guess. Yes, the slogan Parkour Adventure is the same, but if we saw in the Play Store, it says One Up High, and in the advertisement image, it says One to Top. Okay, I guess. I cannot move the actual other jigsaw, but I think it's actually faster, I guess. There's a stolen baby Wubbox fan art, but I didn't see. Oh, we're now seeing the actual stolen Wubbox artwork. I'm doing this right now. Oh, it's an ad. And wait a second, is this QB? Wait a second, is that Pokemon Space Invaders? Pokemon Space Invaders? Pokemon Space Invaders? Okay, that's a Pokemon space shooter game. They made a Pokemon space shooter game. They're maybe probably stolen from fan artists. And it's like, yes, this is Skychamp, the Pokemon space shooter game. They are probably stolen from Fakemon artists. Yes, these are mostly stolen from Smiley Fakemon. Yes, please give credit, please. Okay. 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 This fan art looks pretty dope though. Okay. We're building the baby Wubbox. That is stolen from another artist. Okay. This part. Okay. I told you that. I told you to use the actual pack, to use the packs, but I don't have enough money. Okay. And wait a second. These aren't My City Monster related. We only have pack 1 and pack 2. The Baby Wubbox and the Wubbox crossover were stolen artwork. This is actually stolen from an unknown artist. Please give credit. Yes, these other images are not stolen. They're from the game. And yes, this is actually stolen artwork, and these are actually from the game as well. Wait a second. It's the exact same image, but stretched a bit. I think this is the whole game. Bye bye, I guess. And comment down below what other My City Monsters bootleg games you've saw. Bye bye.